WLJH Blue T10 LED Bulb. The WLJH Blue T10 LED bulb is a top-notch product that caters to a wide range of users. With its exceptional features and superior performance, it is a valuable addition to any vehicle's license plate light setup. One of the standout qualities of this product is its brightness. With a luminous output of 100 lumen, it provides excellent visibility and ensures that your license plate is clearly visible even in low light conditions. This enhanced brightness not only enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle but also serves as an important safety feature. The WLJH Blue T10 LED bulb comes in a convenient package of 6, allowing you to replace multiple bulbs effortlessly. This item package quantity is ideal for individuals who own multiple vehicles or prefer to have spare bulbs at hand. It ensures that you have an uninterrupted supply of reliable and durable bulbs, minimizing the need for frequent replacements. The color of these bulbs is a vibrant blue, offering.
The WLJH Blue T10 LED bulb is a remarkable product that excels in both performance and aesthetics. Its